Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add and format buttons to your website in Google Sites. Now, before starting, if you are not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, if you're a beginner or if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and everything that you have to know when it comes to using the software. Also, if you are interested in watching, we actually have a beginner's guide or a step-by-step beginner's tutorial when it comes to using this software. Be sure to check it out on our YouTube channel because there we already tackled about everything that you have to know, such as the basic features and functions, as well as a brief introduction within the software. Now, just to give a bit of a background for those of you who don't know, Google Sites is a free web-based tool that is used for creating websites and is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, just like what I've mentioned, today I'm going to show you how you can easily add and format buttons here, just like this one right over here. As you can see right here, I have a subscribe button, and if I click on it, as you can see, it redirects me to the link that is posted in our button, which in this case is our YouTube channel. Now, creating a button is actually quite, and there is just few things that you need to know. Now, all you have to do is to head over to your Google Sites, and if you do not know how to create one, we already have posted a tutorial on that in our dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sites tutorial, so you might want to check it out first before going in this video. Now, to add a button, all you have to do is to head over to the right sidebar of your screen and click on button right over here. And now from here, as you can see, you got two options, the name and the link. So the name is the one that will appear inside your button, like this text right over here. So I'm going to name it subscribe. And then for the link, you can either choose if you want to link a page on it. Let's say, for example, I link the page about us. Click on insert. If I click on it right over here, as you can see, it redirects me to this page, which is the about us page. But in my case, I want to link a website link on it. So all I have to do is click on button, type in the name for it, and then in the link, I'm going to paste the link of our YouTube channel and click on insert. And as simple as that, you have added your button. Now you can change the alignment of your button by dragging across the screen. And as you can see, if I preview using this button right over here, I can simply click on this one. As you can see, it highlights if I hover my mouse on it. If I click on it, it actually redirects me to the website that I have just posted. As simple as that, we can create buttons that redirects us to a specific link or even a page in our Google Site website. And that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is. So I think that wraps it up for today's video. If you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll take it from here, guys. See you again, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.